Hi, my name is Bhumika and this is a demonstration video for Task5.2C of Embedded System Development. The main aim of this task is to build a GUI in Python which can control 3 LEDs using Raspberry Pi. Hardware required for this task are Raspberry Pi, jumper wires, LEDs and breadboard. Place all 3 LEDs on breadboard and connect all of their positive terminals to one of the GPR pins on the Raspberry Pi and connect all of the LED's negative terminal through a resistor to the ground port of the Raspberry Pi. After completing the circuit, we will move to the coding part of the task. For this task, I have used Task5.2C library which works with Python in order to develop a GUI. Since it comes pre-installed with the Python IDE in Raspberry Pi, we are not required to install it separately. So, starting with the code, I have imported the Task5.2C library and its associated font. Next, I have imported the LED function from the GPI library which makes it easier to work with LEDs. I have also imported the RPI GPI library in order to use cleanup method. Now, since we are using GPI numbering, I have set the mode as GPI.PC and here is the pin definitions. The red LED is connected to the pin 14, the green LED is connected to 15 and the blue LED is connected to pin 16. GUI definition. We initialize a window by calling the method tk, then given it a title LED toggler. I have also created a font using the font library by giving some parameters. Next, we have event function. I have 3 separate functions to toggle with the 3 LEDs. This function checks if the red LED is on and it turns it off if it is on, else turns it on and the other 2 LEDs off. Same is the case for other functions for green and blue as well. We have a close function which will destroy the window and clean up the GPI. At last, we have created widgets. We have 3 buttons that correspond to the 3 LEDs. Red, blue, green. To create a button, I have used button method along with the same parameters. So first, when is window in which the button is going to be present, then there is text which we will use in that button and the font that text will use. Then there is a command which will help toggle the button next. There is the background color which is set to the red. Height of the button is 1 and the width of the button is 24. Next, we consider our window to be in form of a grid, that is rows and columns. So I place my first button in the first row and first column. Second button will be in the second row and the first column. And at last, we have the exit button which will exit the window. This is the working demonstration. We can see the LED is blinking according to which button is on. So this is all for my demonstration. Thank you for watching.